Practically there's only one good reason to upgrade the blower to the newest one, the latest one, which is this one, and the reason is the noise. So this one, the old one, is very loud, and this one is much quieter. It's still not quiet, but it's now let's say tolerable. I can have a conversation with someone while using it, and also, which is very important, once we apply some load to it, it becomes even more quiet. So if we connect it to a mattress or a nozzle. So let me show you how it works. So this is my normal voice. This is the way I would speak to someone in this room. Let's turn the new one on. So hopefully you have noticed that it becomes a little bit more quiet. The frequencies change, so it becomes much easier on the ear, so to say. And this is the main reason why to upgrade. I don't see any other difference. So Ryobi claims that this has got, the new one has got double the blowing power, the amount of air. I have not noticed that. I've been doing various tests, blowing it on me, on things, including on my hands, and just feels exactly the same. I haven't done any proper tests, but that's what it feels. Here's the old one. I mean, it is blowing, it is blowing. Now here's the new one. Very similar performance, but much quieter. That was the old one, now the new one. Here we go. But nevertheless, if you use it regularly, just for the noise, it's worth upgrading to the new one. And I use them with tools like my router or circular saw, just to blow off the dust, clean the tool after the work. They're very useful. I can put it at the end of the table, turn it on, and then while I'm using the saw, it blows the dust off. All sorts of good reasons. And now that it's very quiet, I'm going to use it even more. And as an inflator, obviously, it's also a good tool. It comes with 2 extra nozzles for beach balls and other things, and this one, a tiny nozzle. So all in all, very good. And if you want to compare the noise of the old one to the new one, let's listen. The new one first. Yeah, the difference, it's much louder and the frequencies are really kind of piercing. This one is very tolerable. In case you're wondering, the new one is a little bit heavier, so it's 395 grams versus 325, so 70 grams difference. Yeah, I can feel it, but you know, barely. And also it's slightly larger, looking from this direction, but here they're practically identical. The height of those, and it's also a little bit thicker, the new one, hence the weight difference, I guess. So again, insignificant differences other than this size. I don't know why it would matter to anyone that this one is slightly bigger, the new one. All good.